दिस वंस फॉर यू टाइगर साहब. आप प्लीज बताएं, एक और सिंगल विद टी सीरीज, एक बहुत तगड़ी एसोसिएशन है.
I
This
think,
time बेफिक्रा.
yeah, किस्मत अच्छी है मेरी. मुझे मौका मिला to work with Bhushan sir and the team again. मुझे याद है, the first time I had come to Bhushan sir, you know, without any hesitation, he had said yes to my idea for Zindagi Yaaron Mein. And ever since then, you know, he's just been doing a fantastic job launching a lot of new talented people and launching a lot of talented actors in a different manner through singles. Um, that being said, this is my third single with him. So I think I'm very happy, and I hope you can give me a few more offers in the future for more singles. You know, I love doing this. It's not easy work, but it's fun, you know, because in between films you get to, you know, give your friends and fans a chance to get a glimpse of you. And yeah, it's fun. If you're very restless like me, and if you have so much energy, and if you want to move, and if you haven't, you know, expressed it all out in a film, then here's a nice platform for you to do something. So, yeah.
It's not at all easy. अगर यहाँ पे कोई बोल दे it's easy, तो जमीन फट जाएगी, उसको निकल जाएगी. Because that's not easy what we just saw.
टाइगर, आपसे भी सवाल है कि ये शूटिंग के कितने दिन थे और एक्चुअल असल जिंदगी में आप कितने बेफिक्रा हैं?
हकीकत ये है कि ज़िंदगी में बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट हूँ फ्रॉम माई कैरेक्टर हियर. व्हाट वाज योर अदर क्वेश्चन सर? दूसरी सवाल क्या थी? बहुत बढ़िया रहा सर. हम कुल मिला के 2 दिन के लिए थे एक्चुअली इन पेरिस, सो डिडंट गेट टू ट्रैवल मच. हालांकि whatever locations we shot at were brilliant, and बहुत मज़ेदार रहा. Yeah, I had fun.
आप दोनों की ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसी रही शूटिंग के दौरान?
As खूबसूरत actually. I don't know. We're very good friends. और ये हकीकत है, मैं दिशा से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ as a friend. So yeah, it was fun. She's very fun to work with. हम एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत comfortable है set पे. And I think we worked very hard. So we were more stressed about the work than, you know, actually having fun. We just wanted to do good work for everybody.
बस पेरिस को टाइगर एक इश्क का शहर भी कहा जाता है, लाइक प्यार का शहर है. तो 2 दिनों में 48 आवर्स में आपने कुछ ऐसा देखा, आसपास फील किया?
जी जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, आई थिंक आईफिल टावर घूमे हम थोड़ा बहुत. आई थिंक उसके अलावा जस्ट ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स डांसिंग एंड रनिंग अराउंड लाइक यू सॉ.
Okay, finally, Tiger, you know that one particular scene where you're wearing the sando, yeah, the sleeveless sando, along with the denims, and you've got a green stole around you.
That was my Hrithik moment.
Yeah.
I felt like
Yeah, exactly. That was totally from Dhoom, right? So that was inspired and that was thought of.
No, actually, it was a coincidence. My director was just slipping on things on me, and that sort of looked good on me, so we just left it there. बाद में पता चला कि it's reminding us of Hrithik sir's Dhoom 2.
Dhoom 2, yeah.
And yeah, and that
Right.
makes me feel very good. I hope I dance like him also.
You look fantastic, both of you, and you guys, I'm sure, are going to rock and get millions of views on this.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tiger, Disha, hi. The video looks amazing.
Thank you.
You have worked earlier with Kriti and now with Disha. And since you told you know Disha
And Shraddha and Jacqueline.
and Shraddha and Jacqueline, so how comfortable were you with Disha?
I'm very comfortable with Disha. You know, like I said, we're very comfortable on and off screen. Yeah. So yeah, it was good fun working with her. She's a very hard-working, talented girl, and she pushes me to work harder. Which is, you know, we're both newcomers and we both want to do well. That's all.
आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ केमिस्ट्री भी देखने मिला हमें कई बार. आप दोनों को साथ में मूवी थिएटर्स में देखा है, डिनर पर देखा है. आपसे सवाल भी पूछा गया था टाइगर, तब आपने कहा था शी इज़ टू कूल फॉर यू.
She is too cool for me.
Thank you, Tiger.
जो हकीकत है. Yeah, we like spending time. Yeah, we actually we go to dance rehearsal together also. Both of us are trained by Paresh sir. कई बार जिम में मिलते हैं. I love to eat. She loves to eat. Every now and then we go eat.
Tiger, as she said, you are very motivating, and even I mean, you are like in dancing, you are great. So when it comes to Bollywood, who inspires you as a dancer?
जी जैसे मैंने कहा ऋतिक रोशन. और yeah, I really look up to that man in everything when it comes to field. Yeah. And of course, I'm nothing without my Guruji Paresh sir, and you know, 4 साल पहले I had started dancing, और उस वक्त I couldn't even imagine that one day I would be dancing like how I am right now, you know. And recently I got to share the stage with my idol Hrithik sir in IFA. So you know, it's all thanks to him I got to that position. Thank you, Pari sir.
भूषण सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है। सब जानते हैं कि टाइगर बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, लेकिन टाइगर सिंगर भी हैं, बहुत अच्छा गाना भी गाते हैं टाइगर। आपने सोनाक्षी को एक चांस दिया था उनके सिंगल के साथ उनका सिंगिंग टैलेंट दिखाने का, तो क्या इन फ्यूचर कभी टाइगर भी देखने को मिलेंगे आपकी सिंगल में गाना गाते हुए?
अच्छा, मुझे मालूम नहीं टाइगर गाना गाते हो आप?
इंटरव्यू के दौरान आपने गाना गाया था बागी के, और बहुत अच्छा गाया था।
मुझे याद नहीं सर, I don't know what they're saying. Please.
चलो यही ऑडिशन दे दो।
Come on, Tiger.
Nevi, please don't put me on the
Come on,
spotlight.
Tiger.
Thank you.
टाइगर उस समय टाइगर उस समय आपके साथ श्रद्धा थी और आज दिशा है। दिशा, उनकी हेल्प करिए गाने में।
आप शुरू करो।
दिशा, आप भी गाइए।
Let him start. Sing, Tiger.
Next time sir, please.
प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे। टाइगर, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग आपसे।
Let Aditi help us with the line. Yeah. Let her start and we'll join.
Ready? Don't laugh, huh? I don't sing. Sorry. Sing the warm up voice, vocal warm up.
सुनना
जरा जरा करीब से आजा तुझे खोली खोली है धड़कने दिल से तेरी मांग टक टक टक
और भूषण जी, आपको ऑडिशन कैसा लगा?
Very nice. Now I'll think of giving him a singing chance for sure.
Yeah, last.
Yeah, my question is to Tiger. First of all, I want to know your day's agenda, how you follow the day. Second is, are you following the footsteps of Hrithik Roshan? Because I've seen rarely, like, Hrithik also has the same body structure like you. Even you're following the dance step. So what is it actually like, you know, about that?
To answer your first question, when I'm not shooting, sir, what I do on a regular day is I'll wake up, I'll either go for my dance rehearsal with Paresh sir, or I'll go and, you know, practice my martial arts and gymnastics with my team. If not that, then after that I go to the gym, and then in the evening I'm just spending time with family and friends, and if I'm not shooting. And your second question, sir, मैं समझा नहीं, sorry.
So like in industry, like Hrithik Roshan and you, like similarity is there. Are you following his footsteps?
Yeah, ever since the very beginning. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, I was very inspired by him ever since his first film Kaho Na Pyar Hai. And I don't know about our body structure and all, but
because it's very rare to see your dance steps are very good as well as you are too strong, like in body wise.
Okay. No, I just I think both of us have a very well-rounded fitness regime. We focus on flexibility as well as strength training. So I think that's what helped. But yes, I idolize Hrithik sir, and he's the reason I do what I do mostly. So yeah.
Wow.